I added a video clip and title to my timeline. If you need help adding titles, check out my tutorial in the description. Alright, let's start by going to the Effects panel and searching for the slide effect. Then drag it onto the starting end of your title. Next up, we need a directional blur, so type that into the search box. Drag the effect onto your title. Now go up to the effect controls for your title. Position your playhead to the end of your slide transition and then hit the timer. Toggle next to blur length to create a keyframe. After that, position the playhead to the start of your transition and change the blurred length value to 100. We set up our keyframes in this way so that our title comes in blurry, and then when the transition is complete, we can see our texts clearly. The last thing we need to do is change the direction to 90 degrees so that the blur is horizontal. Alright, and now when I play back my video, we have a nice looking motion blur effect. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.